Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to share a tweet on Instagram story. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you're someone who likes to share tweets on your Instagram stories, then I'm sure your phone's gallery is full of tweet screenshots. Well, that is about to be a thing of the past as Twitter now lets you add tweets to Instagram story with ease. If you want to learn how to share your tweet to your Instagram story, it's so simple. So first of all, we have to open our Twitter. Now you can choose on the tweet that you want to share to your Instagram story. For the example, I will choose this tweet. Now you can just tap on the share icon on here on the tweet, and you'll find there is an option Instagram stories. You can just tap on that, so you will be automatically directly going to your Instagram story like this. Now you can maybe add caption on it, or a type. You can just do thing on this tweet. Now if you want to share it to your stories, you can just tap on your stories. So when your friend see your stories, this tweet, and they tap on the tweet, they will going directly to the tweet on your Twitter. It's so simple, right? So that is how to share tweet on Instagram story. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.